Hello everyone and welcome to this little video. Today I will show you how you can buy the Binance USD cryptocurrency on Binance. Okay, so right now we are on Binance.com and you should go to Binance.us if you are from the US, and what you will have to do is you will have to register an account. You will have to create an account. It shouldn't take longer than like 10 minutes. And guys, please use the link if you are not registered on Binance yet. Obviously, it's completely for free. Just use the link that I put in the description to sign up for Binance.com or Binance.us because it would really help out my channel. I would really appreciate it. So once you have created your Binance account, you'll be here on the homepage of Binance. And what you want to find is on the top left corner, you want to find the buy crypto option. I have set everything to euros because I'm from Germany, and I like having everything in my native currency, but you can change it all to US dollars, to Canadian dollars, to Australian dollars, and so on and so on. If you're from Uganda, you can change it to Ugandan shillings, whatever you like, yeah? And then what we want to do is you have numerous options here. First of all, you can buy it with your cash balance. I made a video on how to transfer money from your bank account to Binance. Problem here is it takes some days. So if you want to buy crypto right now within like 5 minutes, just hit credit or debit card, and then the page will load where basically you will put in the coin or token that you want to buy and the amount that you want to buy it for. And obviously you can change both parameters. Yeah, you can select the coin that you actually want to buy, and you can change also the fiat currency that you want to buy it with, and obviously you decide yourself how much money you want to put in. Yeah, so let's say you want to put in 200 euros, and yeah, there you need to select the coin. And now in this video I obviously wanted to show you how you can buy the Binance USD coin. So you want to search in here, but yeah, it's the third option already, BUSD, that's the short form, yeah, Binance USD. So you just put in this there, and you can see for 200 euros you get 243 Binance USD. And then you basically put in your credit card details. For me, I have my credit card saved here, and I'm not actually going to buy stuff now because I'm already invested in crypto. I'm just here to show you. And then you hit buy USD, and after some minutes you'll have your cryptocurrency in your wallet, in your fiat and spot wallet, and you can go there and check out your crypto. And then from there on you can withdraw it to your other wallets that you have by just going to your wallet, click receive, copy the address in there, make sure the network is correct. But I made other videos about this on my channel, so subscribe to the channel to not miss any further updates or stuff, and you can just go back to some of my videos. I made a whole separate video on how to withdraw cryptocurrency from Binance to your actual wallet, be it your Trustwallet or whatever, because I don't recommend you to keep your crypto or actual money on Binance. It's a lot unsafer there than in your wallet. So I made a video about this. I'll put it in the description. But for now, this will be enough. This is how you buy, very simply, Binance USD with Binance. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you found some value in this video. If you did, smash the like button and yeah, leave a comment for the algorithm. I would really appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel for more crypto tutorials. And guys, I also launched a Patreon account. The link is in the description. So if some cryptocurrencies go to moon and you have managed to invest in them through my videos, I would really appreciate if you become a Patreon for just like $3 or whatever every month. It would mean the world to me. Thank you so much. And also, yeah, use if you're not registered on Binance yet, just use the link in the description. It would also help out my channel. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.